Hello, happy Sunday. I am going to share with you a top tip that really helps me to stay organized with my team as a head of department. So this is Google Keep. When you go into Google, it's a free tool and it's here. I click on it, which I've already done. And then I use it for department meetings a lot. Well, every time we go to a department meeting, I use it. So I'll put here department meeting and I'll put tomorrow's date as an example. Then I want to create a checklist. So I'll put a tick box and I'll put, for example, mocks, results. I'm making this up. I'll put here feedback, engaging ideas, etc. Then I can color code it. So I'll do all my department notes in green and then I pin it to the top. Then if I want to share it with my team, I'll click on here and I'll just put the email addresses and click save, and that will automatically share it with your team. And then the good thing is that as you have shared with your team and they've completed a particular task or an idea that you wanted to share with them, they can tick the boxes and then you get an overview. And it's really useful, to do agendas, for example, but I also find it useful for other things like taking your own notes. For example, if you got a lesson drop-in and they give you feedback, instead of having to go to your notebook and check the feedback every time or to your emails, you just have the notes here and you can access them quicker. And another thing you can do, if I leave space here, for example, say that you want to share a particular piece of data with your team. I click on the data, say that I've got the statistics, and I've got it there. And it's quick and accessible, and you don't have to go back to a different program to show them. You can also share links to to websites, etc. So anything you want, you got it all in one go, and it's really, really useful. Obviously, this is my Spanish Umbrellas account. I'm not sharing the school one because it's confidential, but I've got many, many notes in different colors depending on what I use the note for. Hope you find it useful. Let me know what you think. Gracias.